So friends, let's see how to prepare this cashew nut powder. Now first of all, I'm using fresh cashew nuts, and also I've ensured that my mixer pot is completely dry without any kind of moisture, both in the pot as well as the cover of the mixer. Now I'm going to put in these whole cashews into the mixer, and every mixer, at least the ones we have here in India, they have a function on the left hand side which is mostly used as a blitz function, when you're making milkshakes. So don't use the ones in which we grind chutneys and everything. Use the blitz function, and you're going to use it just like this for just blitz it, stop. Don't do it in a continuous motion, and then just do it for very like hardly even half a minute, less than half a minute, and then you will get this lovely fine loose cashew nut powder. So don't do it for a very long time, because then the heat of the pot also gets transferred to the cashew nuts, and then they start oozing out oil, or you'll get a paste. But if you do it like this, you'll get this lovely you know uh, really fine beautiful cashew nut powder. So remember these points. I've got a lot of queries about how to make cashew nut powder for most of the Christmas recipes, and this is how I make it. And of course, now I'm going to sieve it or sift it. So I'm going to show you that. But see the powder, the texture, it's very loose and flowy. It's not, like it's not stuck. So now I'm just going to run it through my sift or my sieve. Just you can move your fingers like this, just press it down a bit so that you can just sift it through, and then you get this beautiful light cashew nut powder. And when you lift it up with a spoon, it doesn't even get stuck to the spoon. That's the texture we're looking for. So I hope this video has been helpful, because I've got so many queries and I thought I'll just show you how I make my cashew nut powder. Thanks so much for watching. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.